Okay, now we're on our street, so you're just gonna have to walk with us down our street to our house. Come on. No, I think it got broken in. Maybe not. Oh, there's a car. Yeah, water damage. Now we're walking down our street. Up there, if you see a red van, that's right across the street from our house. So, we have a little ways to go. Ew, lots of worms. Lots of worms. Ugh.
That van was covered
To the windows.
Yeah, all the way to the windows.
Once we got rescued. It's gone down a lot because yesterday we couldn't even walk past the entrance of our, like the sign at the very, very, very front of our neighborhood. This is our next door neighbor's house. It looks pretty good. Didn't even get up to their windows. Now our house. Yes, we need to mow the grass, but our lawn mower's broken. We're hoping it'll get replaced. But there's water damage.
There's my car.
There's the car. We're not allowed to start it though.
Yeah.
In case something.
The keys are in your bag.
Okay. Can you hold this? Oh,
Yeah.
Look at our fern made it.
We had to put the chair in front of the door.
Our bush is down the back.
Yep. And yeah, put the chair in front of the door because so that the police would know that they had already picked us up.
You're sure? You guys want to look and see how high. It looks like it only got.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, it doesn't look like it made it. Hopefully not into it at all.
Papers are dry. Oh no.
No?
It didn't. I mean the seat's wet.
Oh.
So. Okay.
Yeah, the seat's wet. And my blazer's wet.
Your blazer.
And yeah, a whole box full of postcards. And then our neighbors are awesome. They're some of my favorite people. And it's the one that our gutter broke. Should be the one that says Lowe's, or no, maybe. Oh. Alright. I think it is dry.
So everything in our house is fine.
Yay!
Yay!
Looks like it.
Get off of ours. Here, I'm gonna take you to the back porch real quick. Looks like everything survived the flood. Maybe the very front of the house didn't survive, but it's okay. It's our house. You know, it's a mess, but it was flood prepared. Looks like our grill made it. Everything made it. This is good news. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh, you can see that the fence line about how high it got. So okay. Well, I'm shutting this off so we can start packing some stuff. See ya, world.